Eva trades.
Hey, hello there. Welcome to the Risk Management Simulator series. Today we're going to take a look at risk management. We'll take a look at the progress, look at the rules, and break down some stocks, and then we'll start trading right after this. Day trading is risky, so trade in a simulator to learn your strategy. And welcome to Eva Trades, everybody. Thank you for joining me here today. And here is a look at the progress in the risk management series. So far, 3 green days in a row, making small progress. And here are the game book rules. Daily max loss is $400. And I know I go through this every single video at the beginning of every video, but to me it's important to say it out loud, to get it in my head, and it seems to help. So daily max loss is $400. I can't take more than 4 positions to start the day. If I hit my daily goal of $200, I can choose to keep trading if the market looks strong, like I did yesterday. Well, no, I didn't do that yesterday, actually. So if I hit my daily goal and then I give back half, I have to be done. And I can't take more positions than my max loss would allow for. So if I'm already down in a stock or across the board, if I'm down, red in the account, I have to make sure I don't get into more positions, too many positions that would put me down below $400 on the day. That's it. So here are the charts. Ride is the leading gapper in the market today. And so anything above 216 is a higher low. Bulls making a nice move, pulling back. Let me see. Let's take a look at the larger time frame here first. We have a couple of ugly red candles, but this is the pre-market high of 234. So we're making a move up towards there. I wouldn't be surprised if we topped out here, you know, at 230 and pulled back from here and consolidated. We have a 15-minute uptrend with higher lows, higher highs. So I trade the 5-minute time frame. So we do have a 5-minute uptrend as well. So looking to continue this uptrend. If we do, we need to pull back, form a higher low, and get another higher high. And like I said, anything above 216 is a higher low on that. 1-minute time frame. Came down and back tested this area right here. From here, the bulls want to see a reversal and a higher high, a break over 229. So HUDI. Interesting on the larger time frame, the hourly time frame. It's a long, drawn-out bear flag. Kind of hard to see there. Anyways, small bounce. Not expecting much on this one. Just bounce potential. That's it. 15-minute time frame. High, low, lower high. Kind of a higher low. A little choppy, but consolidation nonetheless. Really choppy on the 5. Trading below the VWAP. Really light on volume. We'll see if bulls can hold 1706. Right now we have a double bottom at 1765. Bulls need to get over $19. Kind of a double top, almost. Oh, I'm looking at this like, man, these stocks aren't moving. We're in the simulator, so there's this thing where I have to push play. Otherwise, we're just going to sit here and nothing's going to happen. All right, so I'll push play right now. So now we have 5 minutes to go until the market opens. So now that I've wasted a few minutes of our time, let's go ahead and keep breaking these down. I was confused. I was like, man, why aren't these stocks moving? It's like no volume. So here on KSS, high of the move, low of the pullback. Anything below 30.38 on this move up is a lower high. We're looking for, at least I'm looking for this to top out somewhere up here around 30, then pull back and give us that lower high, and then I'd be looking for a higher low, so a tightening range. And you can see that on the 15-minute time frame here. where you had the move up, then the pull back. Now we're bouncing. How far do we bounce before we pull back? That's the question. It's an inside bar on the hourly time frame. That's pretty common to see. On an equilibrium, you can see another inside bar on the hourly on HUDI, and an equilibrium on the smaller time frame. So anytime you have an inside bar, go to a smaller time frame and you'll see an equilibrium. Well, this one's a bit choppy, but it is there. Bull's looking for that higher high, confirming a higher low with this breaking out like that. So this is a confirmed higher low on the 1 minute time frame. Can the bulls get over 229 and negate an inside bar on the 5 minute? We'll see here if it happens. Keeping in mind on this stock that we've already had 2 breakouts here that failed pretty hard and came crashing down, but the bulls did buy the dip down here. This is the hourly time frame. Still not breaking 229. Meanwhile, over here, see what I want to see here is I want to see us pull back, form a higher low, just a small higher low, kind of catch up with the EMA, and then break out over 229. We have HM. Let me actually put my glasses on, then I can see something for a change. HIMS. Yeah, that's right. I was having a hard time seeing that I on there. This one I'm not really all that excited about, but look at the hourly time frame here. Inside bar, kind of, well, they had a bear break here, but bulls buying the dip. So it is actually more of a falling wedge where you have a bear break and no follow through. So bears broke the low of this, or broke that low by 1 penny, but no follow through yet. So it is a falling wedge by definition. You can see it's a tightening range on a slope. That's a falling wedge for you. It can be a reversal pattern, so keep an eye on that. Want to see what's going on over here. I see this lower wick here. I don't know if that was real because I wasn't watching. Sometimes we get false wicks. I think it was real. So it's still in equilibrium, high, low, lower, high. Well, high, low, double top, double bottom. Minute and a half to go till the market opens. So overall on ride, looking for it to top out on that 15 minute and a pullback. So I don't know if I would trade it right out the gate. At least not long, maybe on the short side. I'm a little cautious here on Hootie because we had this bull break, bear break. So rejected from $19. Get over 19, that would look pretty good. Here goes RIDE, still trying to break 229, having a really hard time. We've tried 4 times. 1, 2, 3, now 4. Less than half a minute to go till the market opens. I see we're breaking this falling wedge pattern bullish over here. Bulls want to get above 589, set 593 and break 599, $6. And the market's open. So breaking that resistance right away on ride. And let's see if we break 234 first thing, or do we get rejected off of that pre-market high? There it is. So breaking straight through before we pulled back. So no time for consolidation. It's just going, going, going. Gonna check my stop loss parameters before I end up taking a trade here. Let's see, holding up, so I'm gonna get in there on ride, see if it pulls back a little bit more. There's the pullback. Let's see if she drops hard here. It might. Yeah, getting stopped out. Going red on the 5 now. So it was risky for me to get in here after breaking through that resistance because we didn't consolidate before breaking through. That's always a risk. So I'm looking for that breakthrough 19 on HUDI. Oh man, that was a huge stop loss. That's a huge stop out there. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to take myself. I'm going to take myself out of this trade that I'm in right now. Yeah, I'm going to take myself out of it. And the reason why is because I took a big loss over here on HUDI. I was in twice, but I took a $300 loss. It should have only been a $200 loss, but there was slippage because it dropped so quick. So I lost 300, and then being down over here 150, I'm already below my max loss. So I didn't want to risk giving back even more. So that's why I exited, even though this is going to make a move here now, and I could have made some money on it. I didn't want to hold and take a chance that I would get stopped out. Well, that's unfortunate because I'm at my max loss, meaning I can't really trade anymore today. And as bad as I want to, I can't. My rules dictate that I'm done. That's unfortunate for me. I really don't like that. Because now it feels like, well, I took those losses so quick that now it's like, what? And so now I don't have a chance to make that back. Like, I'm done. I have to stop. And that just really eats me up. I just like, I think I can make it back. I'm pretty sure I can. But these rules are in place for a reason. I've back tested these rules. And I know for a fact that, yeah, I can make it back. But if I keep trading and I keep losing, because obviously something's not going right today, I'm still losing. You know, I lost pretty quick. So the chances of that continuing, I guess, are probably pretty good. What do I want to have a great big red day? Not really. So I'm just going to wrap it up here and come back tomorrow. You know, trade another day. I'm still alive. Let's see how much am I down here? 150 minus 293. So 443. The thing I don't like about that is that it takes away 2 days worth of profit. Negative 443. So almost 2 days worth of profit. But better that than to have a bigger loss and go red in the account. So I'm still green in the account. And that's all that matters to me. And you can see we're still dropping. We may bounce here. Equilibrium, low the pullback, lower high, higher low. So bulls want to break 232. Yeah, over here, unfortunately, and I saw this move up and I'm like, well, here we go. Maybe we have something happening here. And that's why I jumped in it looking to catch that breakthrough 19, and we got a hard rejection. And I should have anticipated that. I mean, we had a double top up here around $19, so we've already been rejected a couple of times. And then, yeah, I probably shouldn't have been so aggressive on that. And then over here on Ride, I was hesitant getting into it, but I did it anyways because we made this move. I got in it here on this candle as this new candle started to open, and then it came down a little more. I jumped in it a second time. But in the back of my head, I remembered saying pre-market that we're looking for consolidation. You know, we had this pre-market high and we were down in here, and I was like, well, we're looking for consolidation. I want to see it top out somewhere up here, pull back, and then break through. And we didn't get that pullback. The market opens and it just shoots straight through. And when that happens, oftentimes you'll crash back down because there was no consolidation before the break. So that's why I like to see it consolidate first before it breaks out. And then you can avoid these big crashes oftentimes. So we broke through, consolidated, broke through, crashed down, consolidating. Now we have a chance to move back up and break through the high of day. So we broke through this pivot, didn't close above it. We have a new level to be watching right here, 235. I want to see if we can hold this low of this candle of 230 and make a move towards 235. And you can see over here, HIMS, after we broke through that line, failing pretty good and dropping down here. That's the hourly time frame. Doesn't even look like that price is moving. That's kind of weird, but all right. So Ride is holding 230, trying to break through 235. And see, if I could have still traded, I would have gotten in down here. And I'd be looking for the break through 239. Right now we have an inside bar on the 5-minute. I wouldn't be surprised. Well, I think bulls want to see a little more follow through before pulling back, but here we go, pulling back nonetheless. Well, anyways, I'm going to end this video now. So down negative $443. I'll see you in the next video coming up very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.